Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Twinkle and I crochet. In today's video, let's learn how to make this very simple yet pretty flower crochet pattern. This is a very beginner friendly one. I have done only a few slip knots, a few chain stitches and a few triple crochet. But if you are new at crochet, you don't know how to do the basic stitches, I have a detailed video up on my channel. You can check that out, and also I will be putting the link of the video in the description box so it's easier for you to find. Before we move forward, let's see, we have two flowers already made. They are made out of same yarn in different color, but then they are different in sizes. So to make the first one, I have used a 4.5 mm crochet hook, this bigger one, and to make the smaller one, I have used a 4 mm crochet hook. So just let's take a note, depending on the hook sizes and the yarn thickness, the sizes of the flower may vary. So without further ado, let's get started. Here I am taking a very bright yellow yarn, so the stitches are easier for you to see, and I am taking a 4 mm crochet hook. To begin with, I will be making a slip knot. So for that, wrap the yarn around your finger like so, then make a loop and then pull the yarn through the loop. Then you can place the hook inside the loop and then tighten by pulling the strands. So your loop is secure, and then you can put the hook parallel to your yarn, and then we will be making 6 chain stitches. Here is the first one, then we have second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Now we will have to make a loop, which is basically the circle which is in middle of the flower, and to do that I will be putting my hook through the first chain stitch like this, and then make a slip knot. So basically now pull the yarn through both the loops. So here is your center of the flower ready. Then we will be moving forward and make a single chain like this, and then we will do 2 chain stitches, 1, 2. So once you have this ready, we will move forward and then make our first triple stitch. To do that, wrap the yarn twice on your hook and then put the hook through the center, pull the yarn. So you should have 4 loops on your hook. Then we will twist the yarn around the hook and pull through first 2 loops like so, and then twist the yarn again and then pull through next 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. We will then again twist the yarn around the hook and then pull it through these 2 loops. So you have a single loop on your hook. This is your first triple crochet. Similarly, we'll do another triple crochet. So twist, put the hook and pull the yarn. You have 4 loops. Then you will pull through 2, so you have 3 loops. Pull through 2 again, so you have 2 loops, and then pull through again, so you have 1. That is your second triple crochet. The third one, let's also do in a similar manner. And then now you should have 4 strands, 3 of triple crochet and 1 is single crochet and 2 chain stitches. Once that is done, we will do 2 more chain stitches and then put a single crochet back into the loop. This is your first petal done. We will just push it little bit so we have more space for the other petals. I am doing 5, but then you can do as many as you want. So to begin with the next petal, we will again do 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and then our first triple crochet. Our second triple crochet, and our third and last triple crochet. We will then make 2 chain stitches and a single crochet back into the loop. Our second petal is also ready. Push this as well, and then we will follow the same pattern throughout. Let's do the third petal together. 2 chain stitches, our first triple crochet, our second triple crochet, and our third triple crochet. We'll do 2 more chain stitches and a single crochet back into the loop. Similarly, we will do the fourth and fifth one as well. I will be writing the pattern on top of the video, so you can pause and check the pattern to do this. And we will be making our last and fifth petal. Single chain twice, our first triple crochet. If you have less space on the loop, so just keep pushing the petals and you should be fine. And our third triple crochet. Once you are here, we will do 2 more chain stitches and then a slip knot into the loop. Tighten it. We will do another slip knot and tighten it. Now you can cut off the excess yarn. If you want to sew into some other material, you can keep the strand little bit longer and then stitch it. You can glue it also, so for that you can just weave in the loose strands, but then what I like to do is just tie. We'll do another one so it's more secure. And then cut off the excess yarn. You can now adjust the petals little bit so your flower looks more neat. And there you go, your flower is ready. If you liked my video, if it was helpful, please do like, comment and share. Also, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification so you do not miss out any new video that I post. Till then, happy crocheting!